All right, Freddie Swift here, Swift Plumbers, and we've just completed a repair, quite an extensive pipe repair between two floors. Uh, as you can see, we repaired all the way from up here, going down through the sleeve. There was old uh, cast in there, and we had to remove it where they put PVC over it. This is a very tight situation, so the glue got on a little sloppy because we had to push that in there tight from holding in two different spots, up below, above and below. Excuse me, tired, it was hard. We've hooked this back up. I put a valve in here for now, so they have to be careful when they put this back. I cut the cap off today because we needed to be able to test this. We did an initial repair and it did not work because the piece all the way through that slab had to be replaced. I warned about this, that this could end up being a hard repair where we need to access the top and the bottom, and it turned into that. We tried to do an easier repair at first, but it was not correct. Okay, so now it is correct. There are no leaks. We've been running this water for over 10 minutes. The pipe is secure in here now. We've used a Fernco on the vent line, a coupler right there, a new piece of pipe through, and two 45s down below, and that was the toughest part in the room down below. Ma'am? Oh, just keep an eye on this up here, that line doesn't pop out while I'm running the water, okay? Now right here, I wanted to mention this. She mentioned, can I turn her stove on for her? Well, the restoration people were here working, and this breaker's tripped. Well, I went to flip it for her, just trying to help out. And hey, Steven, good to see you there, buddy. I went ahead and tripped it, and I'm not trying to get shocked, so I'm no electrician. I don't want to know nothing about electricity, but I seen they had that out. But right here, this wasn't on, so I know they cut a hole there. I can't tell what got messed with, only this, so I don't know if there's power to that at this point or not, but not really my job at all. My job is this stuff, which I did. Now let me go show you that tight hole down below that I've showed in the previous 5 or 6 videos. Done a lot of videos here today. So there was a lot of work done. We got our shop back there, and we're gonna vacuum that up. Let me go back down here to the tight location. I'm gonna show you what we had to do. I'm doing my final video report, folks, and right here I had to go up in that hole, reach back. Where's our light? Got our flashlight in here? Where's ours at? Put it away. You're gonna see I went right through there. Sloppy glue right there, but 45, we had no room to work. I had to reach back in there a couple feet with a Sawzall and get that fit in there tight. You can see there are no leaks up there. Let me show right in here too. Right here, there are no leaks at all. And as dry as can be. We had to cut this in order to be able to push the pipe from way down here and then from up top to get our fittings in tight. As you can see in the previous video I showed you with the camera, I got all fittings in tight, fitting to fitting. So this job is just about complete. We're going to finish shop vacuuming it and, down here and up there, and then she can collect. She'll add this video to our report, and we're all done. The next step is restoration company will have to take care of putting cabinets back, and then we'll charge additional money to hook up all the plumbing again upstairs.